In a lush forest, a tiny mouse lived near a huge bear that had been in deep hibernation for months. The bear's loud snoring kept the mouse awake all winter. One day, the mouse tried to wake the bear by speaking to him and even blowing a bugle, but the bear continued to sleep. While wandering through the forest, tired from sleepless nights, the mouse confided in his animal friends about his problem. They suggested he ask the lion for help, as the lion's powerful roar could surely wake the bear. Though hesitant, the mouse approached the lion, who was napping outside his cave. As the mouse tried to quietly retreat, he accidentally stepped on a branch, walking the lion. The lion, annoyed at being disturbed, dismissed the mouse's plea for help, belittling him for his small size. The lion then wandered off but was soon tormented by a terrible itch he couldn't shake, caused by fleas in his fur. The mouse, seeing the lion's distress, offered to help despite the lion's earlier rudeness. Reluctantly, the lion allowed the mouse to pick the fleas from his fur. After a through cleaning, the lion felt relieved and apologized to the mouse, realizing that even a small creature can make a big difference. Grateful, the lion agreed to help Mouse wake the bear. Together, they ventured to the bear's cave, where the lion let out a thunderous roar. The ground shook, and the bear, startled, sprang awake. Disoriented and groggy, the bear stumbled out, much to amusement of the other forest animal. The mouse was thrilled to finally have peace and quiet. This experience taught the lion humility and showed everyone that even the smallest among them could lend a hand when it was needed most.